Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a real joy to connect with you across time and space. Nowhere I'd rather be than right here with you. So thank you for joining. My dear friend, if you're having a hard day, feeling anxious, depressed, worried, fearful, insecure, angry, disappointed, lonely, feeling like your stomach hurts, feeling tired, restless, feeling self-hatred, or perhaps even self-love, joyfulness, peace, tranquility, gratitude, whatsoever you're feeling, reminding you that it's a-okay. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain that we've been holding on to. Come back to trust and the unfolding of life. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware of your space, aware of how you're sat. Then gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space, becoming aware of how you feel, witnessing and welcoming the anxiety, the sadness, the anger, the frustration, the scarcity, witnessing and welcoming it like an old friend. Dropping your shoulders away from the ears, relaxing the belly. I want you to visualize that your belly has just become like a blob, absolutely liquid, fluid, relaxed. Opening the palms of your hands, Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of the past. Breathing in this present moment. And exhale, releasing, softening. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling love for this life. Love for others. Breathing into the belly. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards. And breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of all the worries. Feeling worries leave the mind, leave the body as you come back into faith in yourself to overcome all of these challenges that are really in your support. The whole life is in your support, my friend. Breathing that in. Breathing it out. Breathing in joyfulness. And exhale, letting go of sadness, negativity. Letting go of the inner critic. Letting go of self-hatred. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of anger. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Dropping the shoulders. Relaxing your jaw, relaxing the lips, the forehead. Opening your heart space. You are already loved, already loving, already love itself. Feeling this in the heart, that you are already loved, already loving, already love itself. Disidentifying from the fear, disidentifying from self-limiting beliefs, and feeling the spaciousness of love that is already inside you. Such a great nourishment that is always there, even when it's hard to perceive. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale, let go. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind be totally free to think. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And exhale. And letting go of thoughts. Becoming aware of your posture. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you joining me across time and space. I'm sending you encouragement on your path. Remember to have faith in yourself when facing challenges. Don't let your mind start saying that I can't do this, I just can't do it. I know that it sounds cliche, but you can do anything. When you open your mind to new possibilities. So be sure that you're not closing off opportunities, closing off the possibility of more joyfulness by your own thoughts. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The color for today is green. The number is 3. And the animal is a fox. Taking one last deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. I thank you for joining me. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you an abundance of love, abundance of forgiveness for any mistakes that you have made or someone else has made. Having compassion and I want to remind myself and who's ever listening to this that every day some human does something that we previously thought was impossible. And the way to do that is by opening the mind to new possibilities, to actually not just believe that something is impossible for you and to give energy to that, but to actually open your mind to that perhaps it is possible. Once you open your mind, then you can actually create the actions that is needed to make it possible. But if you shut that possibility down by your thoughts, then of course you're not going to take the necessary action. So if you're struggling with action, if you're struggling with taking the right action to create new possibilities for yourself, I want you to be aware of your thought process and how it's affecting the action. Okay? And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.